Yo, 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 yo. Happy Canada Day weekend. Just wanted to make a early season update video for you guys. Everyone following along with the garden. The dahlias. We're gonna have tons of blooms here in a little bit, as you guys can see. 1 or 2 more days for those. Second round of dahlias are all popping up now too. Had some issues over here. I think one of the dogs jumped up into here and squished those dahlias. That's what it looks like. We have some gladiolus popping now, red. Snapdragons are popping. Snapdragons have got to be one of my favorite. I love this mix color here. Snapdragons, straw flowers, zinnias popping. The lavender's going crazy this year. It just keeps growing, keeps growing. Strawberries, we didn't get a harvest off. I think there's a mouse down in this bed, and I think they keep eating them. Cucumber, tons of flowers on it. Fruit is starting. Overflow tomatoes in here, you can see they're starting. Onions almost done. The cannabis plant looking friggin' nice as well. The raspberry patch, we'll have to come in here and start picking because we got lots of raspberries in here. These are the golden ones. Blueberries. A few growing in there. Tons of blackberries growing back here as well. Rhubarb should take off next year. It's looking good though, it's looking good this year. Super happy with the production. Lettuce, we've been having salads like daily, it just keeps coming. Carrots. Broccoli, we did have a heat spell, so 2 of them did bolt, but it looks like I've got a nice little head there, and hopefully a couple more of these will start. Broccoli seems to be a hard one for us to grow here because we don't really have a cool season. In the greenhouse, beans are going crazy. You can see we've already got, I gotta come in here and start picking because we've got already tons of beans. Potatoes going nuts in here. We always do, it always has a really good harvest of potatoes in the greenhouse. And then tomatoes, they're all starting to climb. Yeah, everything's looking super good this year. I'm happy, super happy. Oh, there we go. That's a good breakfast right there. Nice. Planted these on Oakland's very first birthday. Daisies. And then the peach and apple trees. Peach trees are really growing. Tons of leaves. This apple tree is just taking off. It's crazy. And this one right here, the ambrosia, has actually got apples on it. We got 4. 1, 2, 3. And then this peach tree is doing really nice. You can see all the new growth on the top of it. Maybe we'll actually get some fruit next year. And compost from the the updated video on the compost too. It's working good. I got a mower that I found on the side of the road that actually has a bag on it, so I put all the grass in here too. And I want to say, when I flip that, that's just going to be all really nice soil. So compost, almost quote unquote unlimited soil now as well. But yeah guys, this year, the garden, the grass, everything's doing so nice. I'm so happy with how everything's turning out. A good year, a good year. Can't wait for the dahlias to start really popping out though. Once the dahlias are all up and we have all tons of colors in here, it's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. But anyways, fam, hope you guys have an amazing, safe weekend. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching all these update videos and keeping up to date with what I do here. Peace, love, and cheers.